Ploughing. The evolution. It all started about 6,000 years before Christ with something like that. "8,000 years after, ancient tool evolved into modern plow. Is there any major structural difference? After 8,000 years of product development, both tools are still doing exactly the same thing: ploughing. But we are now modern farmers with laptops and high-tech tractors. 8,000 years of evolution. What evolution? Technically, both tools use the same basic soil preparation method of ploughing, which is, by the way, only 8,000 years old technique practiced by prehistoric farmers. Do you think it's time to move on?